Worried that you might not position your hair system correctly? Then Just Rite Positioning Spray is a perfect solution for you. This video will show you step by step how to use Just Rite Positioning Spray by Walker Tape. Just Rite Positioning Spray creates a film on the adhesive that allows you to adjust your hair system before the adhesive starts to stick to the scalp, providing extra time to make that necessary adjustment. Before using any new products that would touch the skin, we highly recommend doing a patch test. After glue or tape has been applied to the unit or scalp, spray Just Rite Positioning Spray over the adhesive area. The more you spray, the longer you have until the adhesive starts to stick. Now you can place the unit onto the scalp and move it into place. Do not move your hair system until the Just Rite Positioning Spray starts to dissolve and the adhesive starts to stick. And that's it. You are ready to tackle the day. For more videos like this, please subscribe and hit that notification bell.